This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alissa Nead. Have you been looking for a clean updated 3-bedroom 2-bath ranch? With a workshop? On a level lot? We have it. You will be impressed from the minute you pull up. Nicely maintained home outside, newer vinyl plank flooring, newer kitchen, newer countertops, 2-car attached garage with large storage room, good-sized laundry, master suite with walk-in closet and private bath. Plus large patio with covered serving area. You will be pleased to find a good-sized workshop, also. Better hurry on this one. For more information, review the details below.